All right, people. Went and picked up this tailgate.
Florida.
Got it from Florida. Yeah, I think I got a pretty good deal on it. There's one dent. Where was it? Right here. They probably won't be able to see it.
It's like dented out though.
I know, it's weird.
Weird.
And I know. Paid 75 bucks for it. Every tailgate around here I found. That guy that you bought your bed from, he wanted what do you want? He wanted 300 bucks. $300 for one off of an 03.
200 for mine.
I know, you should have took it, dude, and told him to fuck off, because when you found that rust in your bed, you should be like, yeah, this is payment, dude. But I already took this off. I was getting ahead of you guys. I've been so excited to get one of these for so long for mine. I was going to cover up the mess on mine, but that, oh, here, finish it off.
Glue it back.
Yeah, I'll just glue it back on, whatever. But we're going to take it up to, possibly going to take it up to a paint shop right now. We were going to do it ourselves, but honestly I don't really have the room to set up a booth and make sure it comes out clean, so
probably get a violation anyway.
Yeah, probably get a violation. But we're going to take this handle out right now because this one's kind of janky and I want mine. So yeah, fog lights, no go. No go. So I got a new gate because this one's all dented up real good, and it was dented real bad. Somebody bondoed the hell out of it. So I'm gonna take my handle out. I got my key, you know, my key matches this, and this one works 10 times better, so I'm gonna have to put a new sticker on too. We'll go ahead and is that Chris's?
Chris what?
Is that his cooler?
Yeah.
All right.
I heard it's full of all my shit.
Yeah, everything. That's Gracie's storage unit.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta do that, dude. We gotta tell everybody what we have. Nobody knows on the channel yet.
No, it's on Facebook.
On Facebook. They follow us, buddy. Follow us. This is us.
No, they didn't cook.
Buddy got himself a new rig, but we've both been just on the run here for a little bit and haven't really had any time to do it. We've been on the run. Yeah, the back looks pretty nasty, but I'm probably just gonna have them do both sides and then put my cover over it. We'll get this handle out real quick. All right, so we got the handle out. I'm probably just gonna leave this in here. Everything seems fine on the hinge side. I just don't want that handle because some didn't seem like it was right in the handle.
Junk.
Oh, maybe we do got, nah, this side right here is pretty sticky.
Well, that's the hinge. It ain't got nothing to do with the hole.
Well, maybe we can just, well, I'm missing a screw over here anyway on the hinge.
I'll take it off.
So, yeah, we'll just gut the whole thing.
Got it.
We'll just take everything right out of it.
This one's missing one too.
Is it?
At the bottom one.
Cool. All right, well, there's one that we don't have to do. We're gonna get those out. What's up, babe?
Oh yeah.
All right, we're heading up to Mako right now to drop the tailgate off, and we are in Big Haas's new truck. All right, what do you got, bud?
You know, the unit of all units.
Buddy went and bought himself another 6.0.
Yeah, had to. The only way to live life. On the edge.
This guy just wants to live a life full of stress. What do we got here?
She's
05?
05. 6 liter, 250. Bone stock.
Well,
Live life real on the edge. Well, tuned and deleted, not started. Fully loaded.
fully freaking loaded,
Basically
dude. This
a platinum.
basically the platinum of this year. I love it, dude. These seats are so freaking comfortable. I can't believe it. I love it. Heated seats,
leather.
All right. Well, damn, what kind of monitor? I thought you said bones. What do you got over here?
CTS 3.
Oh boy.
You know, had to ball out.
He had to ball out, get the CTS 3.
Yeah.
So we're on our way. We're going down the street and we're on our way to, you know, go drop this off, and he starts flooring it going around this corner, and I'm like, what the hell? Feels a little bit different, and it's smoking, you know, it doesn't smoke stock. So he what'd you put on it?
The Looney Tune, 160 horse.
Oh yeah. Oh, what do we got over here? Alright, we'll show you guys a little bit when we get out. For anyone that didn't know, the Lariat 6 liters come with a 7-Eleven mini taco holder. Alrighty, got the tailgate dropped off. So they'll call me soon, but we gotta show you guys some new stuff here. Yeah.
Yeah. Giblets.
Here it is, guys and girls, if there's girls that watch. This is Big Haas's new rig. He already peeled off the molding. At least it's got the new style mirrors on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Not terrible. It's a nice unit.
All right, what's the story on it?
Junk.
Junk.
Typical. Ford.
What is it?
It's a 05. F250, as you can see.
Oh, they can see that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Ooh. Yeah. God damn, buddy. What is up with you and these 6.0s?
I don't, dude, they're just the life, you know? Like, you like to just, you know, not have cool things all the time. That's why you buy Dodge.
Yeah. Look at that thing back there just hanging. For the people that don't know Justin very well, this is like almost everything to a T on what he always wanted in a Power Stroke. The only thing that doesn't have that he's always wanted was... Did you change it yet or no?
You have to crawl under there.
Oh yeah. It's got a key fob. Ooh, we don't know the code yet, but thank God somebody on YouTube made a video on how to find it. This is pretty much everything he ever wanted, except he wanted black leather. But I actually kind of like it. I like this.
It's not a deal breaker.
Yeah.
It is what it is. I would prefer all black and gray, but you know.
Sunroof, heated
maybe one
seats.
day I got a hookups.
He's got the hookups.
Dave's got everything to go black, so maybe one day.
What do you got, 214 on it?
Yeah,
Is that what it says?
215.
Almost 215 on it. It was completely bone stock when he got it. There was nothing done to it. So the guy that bought...
Well, he had an EGR to it.
EGR. My bad, bro.
Mexico parts.
The guy that bought his truck, we have some pieces left of bomb pop. Brought some stuff with us. That exhaust came off of bomb pop, so that's a 5-inch stainless MBRP.
Yep.
And then you got the CTS 3.
Yep.
Got that. Might make a video on that and talk about it.
Talk about it, be about it.
I like it, dude. I'm definitely getting that for my truck for sure.
Yeah, it's nice.
I like it.
I was actually messing with it the other day.
So pop the hood on this big girl.
All right, do it. Get her done.
So did that come factory with every Lariat, or was that put in?
I think they had it put in.
So you bought, before you bought this truck, it had a brand new turbo put in.
Brand new turbo, brand new Fickum, brand new alternator, brand new H-pop.
There you go, all the good stuff.
All the stuff you don't want to do when you own it.
And you said that Fickum has the new software in it,
That's
so
the
it.
new stuff. I don't know exactly what it means.
They said it has new software in it, so it sounds. I don't know. The truck sounds a little bit different.
It closes the vanes a lot more, so it sounds like 6.7.
Everything works in this thing too. That's the most exciting part.
Literally everything.
The AC works. You don't have your trailer brake thing just doing a little.
Yeah, it doesn't fucking beep at you every 30 seconds of the day.
Cab lights work except two.
The hood light works.
Even the hood light.
Never even seen one of those before.
Nah. Which I'm surprised as many times as you had to open up that damn hood and figure out what's going on with it.
Yeah, you're right.
It's a pretty clean truck though. It is. It's really clean.
Got a couple.
It's got a couple little dingers on it, but you know what truck doesn't. So you saved. David let you keep the 24x14s.
Yep.
So those are going on here soon.
Yep.
And
Got a minor issue with the old wheel bearing.
yeah, I gotta do.
Wheel bearing and ball joints got to get done.
We'll do some of that.
I got a lift, well, level, kind of like a lift.
What size?
I got a 3 and a 2 inch. Might stack them, might not. Who knows?
Maybe so.
Might go 5 inches. Might go 3. We're definitely not going 2 though.
Not 2. Anything else exciting about this?
Yeah.
Remote start.
Factory remote start. Never seen one of them before.
Let's hear it.
Yo. I don't know.
Did you lock it first? Oh. Aha. That's so sweet, dude. I wonder what it does in the winter if it won't start. Will it keep trying, or do you got to keep trying? He's nice, boys. He's got a better start. It's a better platform to start with than what we were trying to do to Gracie.
This one has cap corners.
Yeah, it's got cap corners. They're actually solid too. The bed's a little, you know, iffy, but in good shape. Oh, I'm about to get yelled at. Just keep walking. She won't see us.
No, we got a cigarette.
Oh, she went on a cigarette. Not bad. Alrighty. Well, that's that. We'll
Oh, it doesn't have a horn.
no horn.
Only thing that doesn't work.
All 70 vehicles of mine never had a horn.
I got you 2 root beers.
That's pretty much it. We'll let you guys know when they call me and let me know when it's done. But I've been messing around with these fog lights. I'll upload that video. This is an absolute mess. So I think that's it. I got some other stuff coming up. Did get some new merch in. Let's see here. There we go. Some black koozies, some green ones. And we got the camo ones. Let me know. Alrighty.